Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an oxygen sensor without a specialized tool. Oxygen sensors can become very tight due to heat and corrosion, making them challenging to remove. We will cover essential safety precautions, effective loosening techniques, and alternative tools you can use. Our goal is to help you successfully complete this task with confidence and avoid common pitfalls. Before attempting any removal, safety is paramount. Always ensure your vehicle's engine has completely cooled down, which can take at least 30 minutes. Protect your hands with heat-resistant gloves and always wear safety glasses. Next, locate the oxygen sensor and carefully disconnect its electrical connector. Finally, apply a generous amount of penetrating oil to the sensor threads and let it soak for at least 15 minutes, or even overnight for very stubborn sensors. For removal without a special tool, an open-end wrench, typically 7/8 inch or 22 millimeters, can often work. If you are replacing the sensor, cut the wires to allow a standard 6-point deep socket and breaker bar for maximum grip and leverage. For extremely stuck sensors, carefully heat the exhaust bung, not the sensor itself, with a propane torch to help expand the metal. A sudden, firm jerk on the wrench is often more effective than steady pressure. Once the old sensor is out, clean the exhaust bung threads with a wire brush or thread chaser. Apply a high-temperature anti-seize compound to the threads of your new oxygen sensor to prevent future seizing. Hand-tighten the new sensor into place to avoid cross-threading, then use your wrench for the final snugging. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks securely into position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.